Struggling with GATE computer science? Find out the secret to crack it from the toppers.
Ravi sir was the one who crafted my success. His strategy of teaching concepts from scratch made my understanding so strong that I could conquer any question.
Ravi sir motivated me every day to keep going and keep learning. It is because of him that I overcame all obstacles in this journey.
I remember him saying, CS stands for common sense, and that one line completely changed my approach towards the subject.
Being a working professional, I didn't have to spend additional time figuring out what to study. Just watching Ravi sir's videos fully equipped me to crack the exam. The secret
To my success
In GATE is
Ravindrababu Ravula.
Many success stories, many more waiting to happen. Learn live from Ravindrababu Ravula, only on Unacademy. Struggling with GATE computer science? Find out the secret to crack it from the toppers.
Ravi sir was the one who crafted my success. His strategy of teaching concepts from scratch made my understanding so strong that I could conquer any question.
Ravi sir motivated me every day to keep going and keep learning. It is because of him that I overcame all obstacles in this journey.
I remember him saying, CS stands for common sense, and that one line completely changed my approach towards the subject.
Being a working professional, I didn't have to spend additional time figuring out what to study. Just watching Ravi sir's videos fully equipped me to crack the exam. The secret
To my success
In GATE is
Ravindrababu Ravula.
Many success stories, many more waiting to happen. Learn live from Ravindrababu Ravula, only on Unacademy.
Okay, hi guys, let's continue our C++ STL course. So in the last lecture we have seen unique and unique copy. They are very simple algorithms. They look simple but they will be useful in competitive programming, okay? And a little bit more important function is reverse, okay? So as the name suggests, it reverses the contents of a container, okay? Very simple, okay? You don't need to, you just have to watch this video. It will be very short video, 10-15 minutes, okay? I'll just tell you how internally it works, what is the time complexity, how to use it, that's it. So this video will be short, but the next two videos will be long, okay? So in the next video we'll be discussing transform, rotate and rotate copy, okay? So transform and rotate are very important and they're slightly complicated, okay, in terms of syntax and how do they work. So this video will be short, so we'll have a break after this video for 10 minutes, then we'll see transform and rotate, okay? So it is very easy algorithm. It just reverses all the contents present in any container. So any container you pass two iterators, it will reverse everything present in that particular range, okay? It is very important, okay? To write the code of reverse takes some time, okay? Even if you just try writing the code for reverse, okay, it will take 2 to 3 minutes. But if you know how to use the reverse function and you are comfortable with vectors, that you are gonna be, okay? We will discuss many problems and we will be using vectors only. In any CP problem, we will be using vectors only from now on. So if you want to reverse a particular vector, this is what you will be using, right? So you just have to write one line just like sort, okay? So it should be in your hand, okay? So you just have to remember the name of the function, reverse, and just pass two iterators and everything between in this range will be reversed, okay? So it is a slightly more important function as compared to unique, okay? Unique will be less used but reverse will be more used. Sometimes the output has to be printed in reverse order, okay? So when we see DFS and BFS, we will push nodes in some list, okay, in list or stack or somewhere. So it can reverse basically any container. So if you want to print the nodes visited in the reverse order, then you will be using this function, okay? So it is simple in Python, it is simple in C++ also, okay? After you know this function, it is simple in C++ also, okay? So if you think Python is simpler, think of the STL algorithms present. C++ is also simpler then. So this is the link to the Telegram group. If you have not joined already, I'll post all the updates about all the video lectures and the contest and everything here in this group. And tomorrow at 4:30 PM, remember, tomorrow at 4:30 PM, we have a very special session. Tomorrow 20th March. On Unacademy website, on Unacademy's website or on an Unacademy app, you can find me, just search my name Bansal, okay? You can find me on the Unacademy app, you can follow me. Then on my profile you will see this video, okay? So there is a session on my journey from my BTech first year till placement in Google. Okay, so everything, including my competitive programming strategy, how do I cover it, how I prepared for ACM ICPC, what was my team, how did we used to prepare for ACM ICPC, how I used to prepare for GATE exam. Okay, and after I cracked GATE, okay, how were my emotions, everything. Okay, so after joining IIT Bombay, how was my life, how I prepared for Google, and so on. So tomorrow at 4:30 PM we have this session. So you should join. Okay, cool. So there is a new batch launch from 23rd of March. After 3-4 days, there is a batch called Placement 2.0 which is going to launch. So it is a 4-month batch. So everything related to placements will be covered in just 4 months. So the target of this batch is to make you ready for any product-based company interview. Okay, the coding test as well as the technical round. So only the concepts that are relevant to a placement will be covered. We will discuss about the syllabus at the end of this lecture. Okay. So the reverse has only one syntax. So okay, it is very good. It has only one syntax. So it returns nothing. It is also very nice. Only 2 arguments, first and last. So you pass it 2 iterators, it will reverse everything between this range. Okay. So it reverses the order of the elements in the range first to last. Last is not considered. So for every algorithm this is the case. Okay, whenever you pass 2 iterators, this will be the case. And internally how it works is, it calls the function iter swap. Okay, there is a function called iter swap. We have not discussed about it, but you can think about it. Okay, iter swap has 2 arguments, 2 iterators, and it swaps the contents of these 2 iterators. Okay, what does iter swap do? It takes 2 iterators, iterator 1 and iterator 2, and it swaps the contents of these 2 iterators. Okay, in constant amount of time. So just like swap function, we have iter swap also. So it uses iter swap. What it does is, so it requires bidirectional iterators. This is important. You have to pass bidirectional iterators. So what it will do, if this is the content of our vector, okay, you are passing v dot begin and v dot end, right? So automatically it will maintain 2 iterators. Okay, so it will decrement it by 1 in the beginning, and then it will iter swap these 2. Then it will increment it by 1, decrement it by 1, then it will iter swap these 2, and so on. So this is how it is going to reverse. Okay, so it will call the iter swap function n by 2 times. You can see it very easily. Okay, if the container contains 10 elements, it has to call iter swap 5 times. Okay, n by 2 floor. For the middle element you don't have to call the iter swap, so that's why. So these things are easy. Okay, you can see this, how many times you have to call the iter swap function. So this is the time complexity for it, order n. So it will just use the iter swap function n by 2 times and reverse the entire container. Okay, swap these 2 elements, then swap these 2 elements, and so on. For the middle element you don't have to swap it. So all the contents of the container will be reversed. Okay, so the parameters are also very easy, first and last. Both are bidirectional iterators, and everything between first and last, not including last, will be reversed. Okay, mark my words, very important algorithms. Okay, all the algorithms which I am covering, we will be using in some point in time. Okay, so they will save time definitely one day. So so we have discussed this point. So this is an example. Example also is very easy. So we just have a vector containing 1 to 10 elements. Okay, then we have just called the reverse function. So just this you have to do. Okay, same as sort v dot begin v dot end, reverse v dot begin v dot end. All the elements will be reversed. You don't have to write the logic on your own. Okay, so yeah, that's it. You can print the elements, they will be reversed. Similarly, as we had unique copy, we have reverse copy as well. Okay, what it will do, it will not reverse the contents. You will pass 3 arguments, 2 iterators which you want to reverse, and third where you want to place it. Okay, so it will copy the reversed container at some other location. That is what reverse copy will do. Okay, so now you will have 3 arguments, first, last, and another iterator result. Okay, so it is of output iterator type. Okay, so which can write something. Okay, it has to write something at result, right? So this is the reverse copy function, and Yeah, it also works in the same way, right? So here we have an array. Okay, we can call the reverse copy function with the first and last iterator of this array. Okay, so pointer also works as a random access iterator. We have seen this thing. So we are passing to the pointer to this location. We are passing a pointer to this location. This will not be reversed. Okay, and the entire reversed array will be copied at v.begin. Fine. So the content of, so now vector v will contain the reverse elements of this array. Okay, so it will not just reverse, it will reverse the elements and then copy. So yeah, this is how the reverse copy function works. Okay, so yeah, you can see the slides as well. It works same as reverse. Okay, so there is nothing much in it, but I have created a separate video for it because it will be used. Okay, so yeah. So it is very important function coming to competitive programming, that's why. Okay, so yeah, this is about the reverse and reverse copy functions. We have another video coming at 8:30. Okay, there we'll see it transform and rotate. They will be definitely, it will take some time to discuss transform, how it works. Transform has many syntaxes, rotate also has many syntaxes. We will see that. So this is the link to the Telegram group if you have not joined. So t.me/uncodecp. You just have to paste this link on your address bar and you can find the Telegram group. Okay, or you can search Uncode CP on the Telegram app. You will find the Telegram group. So a new batch is going to launch, placement 2.0 on 23rd. Vertex is already launched on 15th. So you have not missed out anything much. So if you take 1 year subscription, you can see all the entire contents of Vertex as well as placement. Okay, so you will be good for the placement related topics as well as the entire competitive programming. Okay, so yeah, this will be the batch structure. So starting from basic data structures, so first few weeks advanced and basic data structures will be covered. So data structures are asked in interviews, like you can be asked question on heap, what is the time complexity of the function heapify and so on. So yeah, all the basic and advanced data structures will be covered. Then the 4 most important topics coming to interviews: strings, greedy, DP and graph. Okay, the focus will be on these, the questions which are asked in this topic which are very famous in interviews. Okay, those will be covered. So Shivansh, that is a target. Okay, so the target is to finish C++ in month of March. Okay, so till 25th of March we will finish the entire C++ STL. So from April 1st we will start data structures. Okay, so Ravi sir and I are going to teach data structures and algorithms. So we will understand the data structure, take 2 or 3 CodeChef problems, CodeChef, Codeforces, any problem, and we'll discuss those. Okay, live. I'll be writing the code on C Lion. Okay, and we will also see the Java code. Okay, so in Java course, sir will be doing the same problem using Java code. So yeah, this is how it is gonna be. So we are building the foundation for this month. So till 25th March, C++ will be finished. Okay, these are some of the educators who are teaching on Unacademy competitive programming course. You can see their profiles. They are very talented. They have been to ICPC World Finals. So they are 7-star coders on CodeChef, Grandmasters on Codeforces, and they have been working in top product-based companies. Okay, cool. Yeah, we know that it is a 4-month batch. Okay, placement 2.0 is a 4-month batch. So in just 4 months, everything will be covered related to interviews. Okay. So actually, you can buy the 6-month subscription if your target is just for placement, but there is no much difference in the fees for 6 months and 12 months. Okay, the difference is lesser than 1 month fees. So you can go for 12 months and you can enjoy the Vertex batch and other batches for entire competitive programming, basically. Okay, advanced data structures, problem solving, and so on. So these are the prices after you use the code JAYCP. Otherwise, the prices will be higher. Okay. You will get 10% off if you use the code. And if you are watching me for the first time, I am Bansal. I got All India 2nd rank in GATE Computer Science 2019 and All India 39th rank in ACM ICPC 2019. So this entire journey will be shared tomorrow. Okay, in the 4:30 special class. This entire journey, how was my journey, how I did this, along with other activities. Okay, so it is not the case that my social life or other life is sacrificed. Everything will be explained, that how it was managed. And I'll be teaching CP, C++, data structures, algorithm and interview preparation on this YouTube channel as well as on Unacademy. So you can follow me, very simple link, unacademy.com/jay.bansal, okay, @jay.bansal, okay. So you can follow me. My special class will also be on this web page. Okay, so let's meet at 8:30 and discuss transform and rotate function. Bye.